everyone, I'm John Richardson from Matrix Risk Control, and I'm here at the Safety Expo today where we've been running our crime scene, and we've had many people come and have a look around the scene and try and figure out what happened. We've had some excellent answers and we've also had some bizarre ones, so now we are going to reveal what actually happened. So, we had our office space here, and essentially there were a number of clues lying around to try and get you on the right track. There was a work order in relation to a wasp's nest. Our worker would have been wearing this jacket which was on his chair, which had a badge on it saying there'd be an EpiPen nearby, as this individual has a strong allergy to bee and wasp stings. And then within a drawer here as well, we had an EpiPen. So essentially, the scenario as it occurred, we would have had a worker coming into the office, taking off his jacket and sitting down to carry out some work. A bee flies into the office and stings him, and there's the bee on the desk here. And at this point, this worker has had a severe reaction. They've got up, knocking the chair over, they've been starting to look for their EpiPen, but they can't find it. And in coming around the desk, in order to rummage through the drawers, they've gone through. However, they've not been able to find their pen, and they've very unfortunately expired here on the ground. So as I say, we've had a lot of very good answers, a lot of bizarre answers. We'd like to thank you for taking part today, and we look forward to seeing you at our Still in Control Summit next week. Thank you.
To get their own incidents. And so they kept having these repeat failures. So when we set the company up, the driver behind that was to help improve companies' ability to do their own investigation. Because next week at the Ardo House, a week today in fact, the company is hosting a risk management conference. You're all welcome to come along to it. And one of the talks will be on this risk assessing the perfect murder. Now that may seem an odd topic for an industry conference, even controversial, but I want to again hopefully bring it into the context of the world that is out there in terms of industry. And this isn't just simply oil and gas, this transcends any industry where there's operational risk, and people can also say that it's a sensitive topic, because obviously what I'm going to share with you is an investigation that I was personally involved in for the best part of 5 years. It kind of dominated my life for a period of time, around about 18 years ago. And there's a family behind this, because there's a victim. Now, I've come to know the family very well. I would regard them as friends. And they are 110% supportive of what we're doing here, because they believe if something good can come out of this, then it's worthwhile. So there's no state secrets going to be told, there's no revelations that's going to surprise or upset anybody, I should say. But I want to use this case study of a murder investigation, very high profile murder investigation, and probably one of the most challenging investigations ever undertaken by the Scottish Police.